They say the way you start your morning can set the tone for the entire day. And for many of the world's most successful people, this couldn't be more true. Think about it. Have you ever woken up late, feeling rushed and behind before you even got out of bed? It's hard to shake off that feeling and turn your day around. But when you start your morning with intention, with a routine that nourishes your mind, body, and spirit, you step into the day with a sense of purpose and power. From entrepreneurs and athletes to artists and leaders, high achievers often credit their morning routines as a key ingredient to their success. Look at someone like Serena Williams or Michelle Obama. They don't just stumble into greatness. They've cultivated routines that allow them to be their best selves day in and day out. These habits don't just happen by chance. They're intentional practices designed to boost productivity, sharpen focus, and nurture both mind and body. Whether you're chasing professional goals or personal growth, adopting a few of these habits could be the game changer you need. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Oprah. You're asking me to wake up early, but trust me, darlings, there's something truly magical about those early morning hours. The world is quiet, your mind is clear, and you have this precious time all to yourself. Leaders like Apple CEO Tim Cook, and yes, even yours truly, start our days before the world fully wakes, allowing ourselves quiet time for planning, reflection, and self-care without distractions. Imagine this, your alarm goes off not to the jarring sound of a siren, but to the gentle melody of your favorite song. You take a deep breath, feeling the stillness of the morning, and you resist the urge to hit the snooze button. Instead, you rise, stretch, and greet the day with open arms. This isn't about punishing yourself, it's about giving yourself the gift of time. Those early hours can be your secret weapon. Think about it like this. You're getting a head start on the world, a chance to set the tone for your day before the emails start pouring in and the demands start piling up. This is your time to connect with yourself, to focus on your goals, and to prime your mind and body for success. Now, I understand that waking up early isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but even shifting your wake-up time by 15 minutes can make a difference. Start small, be patient with yourself, and gradually adjust your schedule. You'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish and how much calmer you feel when you're not constantly playing catch-up. Remember, darling, the most successful people understand that time is their most precious resource. By waking up early, you reclaim those precious morning hours and invest them in yourself. It's a powerful act of self-care and a key ingredient to unlocking your full potential. How we start our mornings sets the stage for the entire day. Do we wake up frantic and frazzled, already feeling behind? Or do we create a space for peace and intention? That's where mindfulness comes in. Now, mindfulness might sound a little intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. It's about being present in this very moment, quieting the noise of the world, and tuning into the rhythm of your own breath. Whether it's 5 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, or writing in a gratitude journal, starting the day with a calm and clear mind helps successful people stay grounded in high-pressure situations. Imagine this. You wake up, and before you reach for your phone or turn on the news, you take a few moments for yourself. You close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any stress or worry. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind, clearing out any mental clutter so you can approach the day with focus and clarity. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oprah, I can barely find time to brush my teeth in the morning, let alone meditate. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be complicated. Even a few minutes of conscious breathing can make a world of difference. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to drive a car with a windshield covered in dirt and grime, would you? You need to clear your vision to see the road ahead. Mindfulness is like that windshield wiper for your mind, helping you clear away distractions and focus on what truly matters. It's about finding moments of stillness amidst the chaos, moments to connect with yourself and cultivate a sense of inner peace. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes. So, darling, as you embark on your journey to a more intentional morning routine, remember this. You already have everything you need to find your center, to cultivate peace, and to start your day with purpose. Chapter 3. Get your body moving. The power of physical fitness. We've talked about the importance of a mindful mind, but we can't forget about this vessel that carries us through life, our body. Morning workouts, yoga, or even light stretching prepare the body for the day, boost energy, and sharpen focus. Now, I'm not suggesting you have to run a marathon before breakfast, but incorporating some form of movement into your morning routine can be truly transformative. It's about waking up your body, getting your blood flowing, and invigorating your spirit. Imagine this. The sun is just starting to peek over the horizon, casting a warm glow on your surroundings. You step outside, feel the fresh air on your skin, and take a deep breath. You might go for a brisk walk, do some gentle yoga stretches, or even put on your favorite music and dance around your living room. It doesn't matter what you do, as long as it gets you moving. Exercise is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about releasing those feel-good endorphins that boost your mood, sharpen your focus, and give you the energy to tackle whatever the day throws your way. Think of it this way. When you move your body, you're not just strengthening your muscles, you're strengthening your mind. You're building discipline, resilience, and a sense of accomplishment that carries over into every aspect of your life. And the best part, you don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment to reap the benefits. Start with something simple, something you enjoy, and build from there. Remember, darling, taking care of your physical health is an act of self-love. It's about honoring your body, nurturing your energy, and setting yourself up for a day filled with vitality and success. Chapter 4. Feed your mind, the importance of lifelong learning. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy food, we must also nourish our minds with knowledge and inspiration. Reading books, listening to podcasts, or reviewing inspiring content helps create a growth-oriented mindset. Successful people are lifelong learners, and morning hours often provide the quiet time to sharpen their knowledge. Imagine this. You're curled up on the couch with a warm cup of tea, sunlight streaming through the window, and you're lost in the pages of a captivating book. Or maybe you're listening to an inspiring podcast during your morning commute, your mind buzzing with new ideas and perspectives. These moments of learning and reflection are not just enjoyable, they're essential for growth. They help us expand our horizons, challenge our assumptions, and cultivate a thirst for knowledge that lasts a lifetime. Think of your mind as a garden. If you want it to flourish, you have to tend to it, nurture it, and plant seeds of knowledge that will blossom into wisdom. The more you feed your mind with stimulating content, the more creative, innovative, and insightful you'll become. And the best part is, learning doesn't have to be confined to a classroom or a textbook. It can happen anywhere, anytime. So darling, make time for learning in your morning routine. Remember, the world is full of fascinating stories, groundbreaking ideas, and endless opportunities for growth. By embracing lifelong learning, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities and unlock your true potential. Chapter 5. Map your day. The power of reviewing your goals. We've talked about nurturing our minds, bodies, and spirits, but now it's time to bring it all together and set our intentions for the day ahead. Whether it's writing a to-do list, prioritizing tasks, or visualizing success, planning their day ensures they stay proactive rather than reactive. Imagine this. You sit down with your favorite notebook, a cup of coffee steaming beside you, and you take a few moments to reflect. What are your top priorities for the day? What do you want to accomplish? What steps can you take to move closer to your goals? By taking the time to plan your day, you're not just creating a schedule, you're creating a roadmap for success. You're taking control of your time, setting clear intentions, and minimizing distractions that can derail your progress. Think of it this way, if you were going on a road trip, you wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving aimlessly, would you? You'd map out your route, identify key landmarks, and plan your stops along the way. Reviewing your goals is like mapping out your journey for the day. It helps you stay focused, motivated, and on track to reach your destination. And remember, darling, your goals are your own. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Whether it's a to-do list, a vision board, or a simple affirmation, find what works for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. By starting your day with intention, you set the tone for a productive, fulfilling, and successful day. By starting the day with intention, successful people create momentum, develop discipline, and nurture resilience, the true foundations of long-term success. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Even small, seemingly insignificant habits, when practiced consistently, can compound over time and lead to extraordinary results. In the end, the difference between an ordinary day and an extraordinary one often begins with how you choose to start your morning. It's about recognizing that you have the power to shape your day, to design a life you love, and to step into your full potential. Successful people don't rely on luck. They rely on consistency, discipline, and small, intentional habits that compound over time. Whether it's waking up early, exercising, feeding the mind with knowledge, or simply taking a moment for gratitude, these routines are powerful tools that anyone can adopt. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your mornings can shape not only your day, but your entire future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Please let me know what topic you would like to see a video on next.